You don't want to land on these arrows. That's a threshold. You want to land after the demarcation bar.
Airport 15, Stockton Tower, again.
I'm off of the runway 29 right safety area. I'd like to get up to Bravo.
Rotate. Tower, you got birds in the area. Runway 29 left. I'm making left close. Approximately 100 feet above the runway 29 left, midpoint. You got two birds roaming around.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, roger. Thank you for the pirate.
Roger. I'll be making my departure to the north. Won't be doing another landing. I'll be outbound north.